Hey guys, thank you for joining me in this new video. This is a question that I got a couple of times on how you could get a promo code for CloudWays. One of the options that I would recommend is you can always contact CloudWays support to see what they have for promotion, and it's fairly easy. You just go to their website, and over here I'm already at the page. Sometimes this can change where they put it, but look for how to contact them. Come up here, sales inquiry, fill out that information and ask them that question. They will get back to you with the information if they have anything at the moment or no. It's not, sometimes they might not have it. I also have a promo code here that you could use, 3MNT1C. That's going to provide you 10% off for the first 3 months. So the information about that promo code is also available in the description here. So you really have to, you could use that. You could ask them and maybe compare what they have. Usually it's going to be the same. Maybe sometimes there could be a difference, but it should be fairly the same. So very short video on how you could get a promo code for CloudWays.